His hoodie was torn, but he stitched it with silent courage and hope in every thread. He had no fancy mirror, but he saw strength in his reflection every morning. His boat was paper, but his dreams sailed like oceans with no fear. Every word he read lit a spark inside him, stronger than any lamp. He had no toys, but imagination carved entire worlds in his tiny hands.
Even with empty hands, he shared what little love he had left.
Every drop he caught was a story of survival, and he never spoke out loud.
He built weapons of dreams, not to fight the world, but to chase it.
His shadow was his only partner in every quiet dance of hope. Heroes in books gave him courage when real ones forgot his name.
To the world, it was broken. To him, it just needed love to spin again.
Darkness came often, but he carried light in his spirit every night. His bag tore often, but never his will to go learn.
Every flower he laid was a silent prayer only his heart could hear. When heat pressed down, he folded air with a child's faith.
Love was never far, even when the world felt cold and gray.
He told stories, not to be heard, but to believe in his own magic.
Cold nights came often, but his fire never went out inside.
Each cloud carried a dream, and he counted every one with care.
As the first light touched his face, he hoped today would be different, filled with a little more peace, a little less hunger. Even when the world forgot him, he remembered to care for even the smallest life around him. When his path tore his shoes apart, he used pieces of pain to walk again with pride. His roof was the sky, and dreams were the only thing no one could ever take away. He had nothing fancy, but he still found pride in looking his best for the day ahead.
He couldn't afford school books, but he made sure someone else learned what life taught him.
His story wasn't perfect, but every scar, every smile, made it beautifully powerful.